IPMAT 2024 multiple choice question of mathematics. Very interesting question. It says for some non-zero real values of a, b and c, it is given that mod c by a is 4, modulus of a by b is 1 by 3 and b by c is minus 3 by 4. Then if ac is greater than 0, then I have to find the value of b plus c divided by a. Now, a couple of interesting facts that we can identify here. The first thing, if the product of two numbers a and c is greater than 0, then there are two possibilities. Either both a and c individually are greater than 0, both are positive numbers, multiplication or product of two positive numbers is always greater than 0, or both a and c are negative, less than 0, because the multiplication or the product of two negative numbers is also greater than 0. So let's take each case individually. First, if I assume both a and c to be greater than 0, then I know b upon c is given as minus 3 upon 4. C being positive, if I take the value of c is equal to 4, then I can take the value of b is equal to minus 3, right? For the sake of clarity, let's assume 4x and 3x as this is a ratio. Great. Now, if I know mod of a by b is equal to 1 upon 3, right? And b is already minus 3x, then the value of a will be equal to x positive, because a is greater than 0 and here we are assuming x to be a positive number, correct? So I get the three values. A is x, b is minus 3x and c is equal to 4x. On the other hand, if I assume a and c, both of them to be less than 0, right? That means when b upon c is equal to minus 3 upon 4, then the value of c becomes minus 4y, where I assume y to be a positive integer. So if c is minus 4y, then the value of b will be equal to 3y. And if b is 3y, then a by b is 1 by 3 mod. So the value of a is equal to y. And as a is less than 0, it can be taken as minus y. So now I've got two set of possible values for a, b and c. I just have to find what b plus c by a equals. In the first case, b plus c divided by a gives me minus 3x plus 4x divided by x. That is minus 3x plus 4x is x by x. The answer is plus 1. In the second case, b is 3y plus c is minus 4y upon a is minus y, which is minus y upon minus y, which again gives me plus 1. So in either case, my value of b plus c by a is positive 1. So that is my answer to this question, plus 1, right? So a great question which forces you to think and work with just the possible positive and negative values of numbers.